Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can block ads in Google Chrome on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes under the video, and also write comments after watching. And let's you and me, friends, get started. First of all, open the Chrome app on your iPhone. Next, at the bottom, find the three dots, click on them. And now a menu will appear. You will need to swipe to the side to find the settings. Tap on them. Next, in Settings, swipe to the very bottom. Here, find the Content Settings option. When you open the Content Settings, you will need to select the very first option. This is the pop-up blocker. Click on it. And in order for you to be able to block ads in Chrome, you'll just need to activate this kind of blocker. If you have it turned off, then you'll need to activate it. Thanks to this action, Google Chrome will no longer have pop-ups with ads. Friends, this is the way you can block ads in Chrome app on your iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Friends, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.